What if I told you your garden could bloom nonstop through the hottest days of summer with plants that return year after year like clockwork? No replanting, no fuss, just color, beauty, and butterflies, all season long. Coneflower is one of the most reliable summer bloomers. Its bright, daisy-like flowers come in pinks, purples, and whites, and they attract butterflies and bees all season long. These low-maintenance perennials thrive in full sun and poor soil, perfect for tough summer conditions. Rudbeckia, also called black-eyed Susan, is a bold, sun-loving perennial with golden petals and a dark center. It creates a cheerful, wildflower look that fits right into both cottage and modern gardens. Once established, it blooms for weeks without needing much attention. Coreopsis is a compact perennial that's famous for its non-stop blooming. The bright yellow and orange blooms bring a sunny look to borders, containers, or flower beds. It tolerates heat, drought, and poor soil, making it one of the easiest flowers to grow. Allium stands out in a garden with its tall stems and globe-shaped flower heads. The purple, pink, or white blooms add a modern, architectural feel to any flower bed. These flowers are also great for pollinators and bloom well into summer with very little care. Bee balm brings drama and fragrance to the garden. Its shaggy, colorful flowers bloom from midsummer to fall, drawing in butterflies, hummingbirds, and bees. It thrives in sun or part shade and looks beautiful planted in bold groups. Lavender isn't just fragrant, it's also a powerhouse perennial that loves hot, sunny spots. It adds structure and movement to borders while offering soft purple blooms that last through summer. This plant also repels pests and attracts pollinators. Perennial geranium, not to be confused with the annual type, produces long-lasting blooms in pink, purple, or blue. It spreads gently and fills gaps between larger plants while continuing to flower from late spring through summer. Shasta daisy is a garden classic, loved for its crisp white petals and sunny yellow centers. These cheerful flowers bloom from early summer to fall and do well in full sun and well-drained soil. They make great cut flowers too. Hibiscus puts out big, showy flowers in bright colors like red, pink, or white. These tropical-looking blooms appear from mid to late summer and can instantly transform your garden into a vacation spot. Hibiscus thrives in heat and sun. Phlox creates a cloud of color in your garden with dense, fragrant flower clusters. Blooming in shades of pink, white, purple, or red, it's a magnet for butterflies and bees. It's also mildew-resistant and ideal for sunny borders. Perennial salvia sends up spikes of blue, purple, or violet flowers that keep blooming from early summer into fall. It loves full sun, resists deer, and keeps pollinators buzzing around your garden day after day. Russian sage features silvery stems and soft purple flowers that look like a haze of color from a distance. It handles hot, dry conditions effortlessly and adds height and elegance to flower beds throughout the summer. Yarrow offers flat-topped flower clusters in a wide range of colors, including white, yellow, pink, and red. It thrives in full sun and poor soil and blooms for months with little maintenance. Plus, it attracts beneficial insects. Ice plant delivers bold, neon-colored blooms against thick, fleshy foliage. It thrives in heat and dry conditions, blooming from spring to fall. The flowers open in full sunlight and create a carpet of color in ground cover or containers. Butterfly bush is a magnet for pollinators with its long, cone-shaped flower spikes. These plants bloom profusely in summer and even into fall. Their fragrance and vibrant colors make them a standout in any sunny garden. Autumn joy stonecrop offers sturdy green foliage and flat pink flowers that deepen into rust red as the season shifts. It blooms in late summer and lasts well into fall, making it perfect for extending color in the garden. Fringed bleeding heart offers soft, fern-like foliage and arching stems of heart-shaped pink flowers. Unlike traditional bleeding hearts, this one blooms repeatedly, from late spring through the heat of summer. Serbian bellflower grows low and wide, filling spaces with delicate star-shaped blooms in lavender blue. It's great for rock gardens, borders, or even spilling over containers, and it keeps blooming through late spring and early summer. Red hot poker adds fiery color with its upright spikes of orange, red, and yellow blooms. These torch-like flowers thrive in full sun and bloom from late spring into midsummer, bringing bold energy to your garden. Catmint creates a soft mound of gray-green foliage covered in lavender blue flowers. It starts blooming in late spring and keeps going into fall. It's easy to grow, drought-tolerant, and loved by bees and cats alike. Iris may be best known for spring blooms, but many varieties rebloom in summer too. Their sword-like leaves and elegant flowers make them a reliable and graceful addition to any garden. Roses are unmatched for fragrance and beauty, and many modern varieties are bred to bloom from early summer to frost. With proper care and sunlight, they offer repeat blooms and stunning color in every size and shade. Clematis climbs and covers fences, trellises, or arches with vibrant flowers. Early summer bloomers like Jackmanii offer a burst of color in rich purple hues that return year after year. Hydrangea, especially reblooming varieties, give you big, showy clusters all summer long. Whether you prefer blue, pink, or white, these perennials provide lush, romantic beauty. Astilbe loves shady spots and fills them with feather-like blooms in pink, white, or red. It blooms in early to mid-summer and pairs well with hostas or ferns in moist, cool areas. Lupin makes a bold statement with its tall, cone-shaped flower spikes. It comes in a rainbow of colors and blooms steadily through early to mid-summer, attracting bees and butterflies. Lily turf, or liriope, offers grassy foliage and small white or purple flowers throughout summer. It's a great edging plant for pathways or garden beds and thrives in sun or part shade. Dahlia is a showstopper. From midsummer until frost, it produces large, colorful blooms perfect for cutting. Grow them in containers or flower beds for vibrant drama. Dianthus provides clusters of fragrant, pink or red flowers that bloom repeatedly through summer. It's compact, drought-tolerant, and great for edging or containers. Cranesbill geranium blooms profusely in spring and often again in late summer. Its spreading habit and cheerful blooms make it an easy care ground cover or border plant. Hollyhocks grow tall and bloom with colorful flowers up and down their towering stems. Ideal for the back of borders, they bloom all summer and add vertical interest. So now you know the flowers that don't stop blooming and just might be too good to be true. Fill your garden with color, charm, and a little mystery this summer. If this helped you discover your next favorite perennial, give it a like and subscribe for more gardening secrets that actually work.